What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching a video. Today we're doing a really quick, easy dessert. On all honesty, Michael found this on that Tik Tok, as I call it. And it was one of those little quick recipes, and I was like, that doesn't sound good. But I was like, okay, well, let's go ahead and try it. So it's for a Kool-Aid pie. Yeah, Kool-Aid pie. So you take Kool-Aid, I mean, it's like 3 ingredients. Kool-Aid, sweetened condensed milk, and Cool Whip. That's it. 3 ingredients. So you can choose the flavor of your Kool-Aid. And since this was Mike's idea, I'll let him choose a flavor. And he chose black cherry. But you could do lemonade and like orangeade and stuff, and it might be really good. So it seems like it's gonna be really sweet. But anyway, let's try it and see what it's like. This is a Kool-Aid pie from TikTok, or TikTok as I call it. Oh, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button, guys. We're trying to get to that 1,000 mark. We're getting so close every day. But it really does help a lot to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It helps our algorithm and all that magical voodoo stuff. So just go ahead, while you're here, just hit that subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. Anyway, back to the recipe. Here it goes, guys. All or nothing. So we're going to start with I think it's 16-ounce can. Is that what it is? 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay. 1 pack. Now this is the unsweetened kind of Kool-Aid, like the old-timey kind that Grandma used to make. So Mike chose the flavor, and this one is black cherry. But you could use any of the Kool-Aid flavors, allegedly. All right. We're going to switch that for whisk. Okay. Wow, it smells good, actually. So mix your Kool-Aid and your sweetened condensed milk together. Okay. You know I got to taste this. Okay. Now into this, we are going to fold 8 ounces of whipped topping. One of the most impossible things to open for me. I got a feeling this is going to be really sweet. We're just going to fold this in. Fold in the whipped topping, David. Okay, I hate to admit it's kind of pretty. I don't see how this is going to set up, but maybe it will. Okay, so much for folding. We're just going to stir it. I think it's kind of hard to deflate whipped topping anyway. Make sure it's all mixed together. Okay, it's really pretty, y'all. Okay, now here is our store-bought graham cracker crust. You know how I feel about that, but we're doing it just like it says. Okay. Now, if you want to decorate it, you could certainly do it, you know, with a spoon and do the little swoopies. Because that's it. You're not going to put anything else. That's the pie. And the way I do it is just go back and forth. Okay, so now this is going to go in the refrigerator to set. Ish. I don't know how setting it's going to do because there's no gelatin in it, or there's nothing to set. So we'll see. Okay, we'll put our lid back on. In the refrigerator, you will go for several hours, and we will try it in a bit. So these things scare the devil out of anybody. I feel like I'm just going to slice the entire end of my finger off with them. Even those to-go containers just terrify me. All right, there you go. Let's put it in the fridge and let it set up. All right, guys, it has been cooling for several hours and setting. Okay, taking this part in with the fear I'm going to cut my fingers off. Does that freak you out, Mike?
Nope.
Freaks me out. This is the first time I bought a pre-done graham cracker in a long, long time. All right. Okay, kind of set up. Interesting. It smells like secrets. Cherry secrets. Which is not a bad thing. I'm just gonna use the knife to get it. Okay, that's pretty. That's nice. All right, let's give it a taste. No, you gotta put your hand on normal. Not stupid. Okay, since this was his idea and he found it on Tik Tok, he gets to taste it first. The dogs are going crazy. Sorry about that.
Wow.
What?
It is really strong, but good.
Strong, like flavor, like
Yeah,
Kool-Aid-y?
like, yes. Really good. See? When it goes in your mouth, it takes a little time and then it hits you.
That's really good. It's not as sweet as I thought. It's sweet.
I don't think
It's almost like cheesecakey.
No, cheesecake is sweet. This is not that sweet because it's made with Cool Whip.
It's made with sweetened condensed milk.
That's what you did Cool Whip with.
It's got Cool Whip and sweetened condensed milk. Y'all,
Very refreshing.
that's surprisingly good. Lemonade flavor would be really good. So would orange.
No, probably not orange.
No.
Too many things are orange. Too many things are orange.
All right, guys, that's it. The I want to call it something else. I don't know. Kool-Aid pie with the razor pie crust. Cool Whip pie, 4 ingredients. Not Cool Whip. Kool-Aid gum. Kool-Aid pie, 4 ingredients. It surprised people. You would never guess that's Kool-Aid, would you? I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Tik Tok, you did another one that was good. And that was it. Tik Tok's Kool-Aid pie. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and give us a subscribe hit down below. We'd love to have you on board. We're getting so close to that 1,000 mark. That's where we're heading for. You guys have a safe week out there. If y'all have any suggestions of anything from your past or your family's history that you'd like me to make, or if you know a good recipe, please throw it my way. You can email me at tastingaround.com or send me a message on here. I would love to hear from you. You guys have a great week, but most of all, be safe out there, and we'll see you all next week.